Adobe reported quarterly financial results that showed surpassing remaining performance obligations above $20 billion. That was some good news for Adobe stock investors, and of course, I'm happy about that. I've had Adobe stock rated as a buy all year long in 2025. I've had it rated as a buy for longer than that. So in this video, I'll review the company's latest results. I'll share with you my updated fair value calculation for Adobe that had the intrinsic value increasing, and I'll update my recommendation and let you know if I still think this stock is a buy after these quarterly financial results. Right, so Adobe reported that AI first annual recurring revenue already exceeded their $250 million year-end target. And that's particularly important for Adobe stock investors because one of the reasons why this stock has been trading so cheaply is because investors are concerned with all the AI innovators coming in its category and taking market share. So Adobe is pleased to once again increase their fiscal year 2025 revenue and earnings per share target after yet another quarter of better than expected performance from the company. Adobe achieved record revenue of $6 billion in the third quarter of 2025, representing 11% year-over-year growth. The company's cash flow from operations came in at $2.2 billion, and this is one of the reasons why I've liked this business for as long as I've liked this business. If you divide the cash flow from operations to the company's revenue, 2.2 billion divided by 6 billion, you'll notice that the cash flow from operations to sales ratio is above 33%. That's a strong number. The company generates a strong percentage of its revenue as cash flow, and it's an opportunity, I believe, to compete against these new innovators that are coming in the category. Adobe has a large budget. It can allocate more to research and development to create and withstand this surge from competitors by creating its own innovations, by creating new products and services that aim to serve customers in this category. Adobe in the quarter repurchased 8 million shares, and you have probably heard me say that I like when companies repurchase shares because it shows me that the management team thinks the stock is undervalued, and all of that is true. But there are some cases, like in this case here with Adobe, where a company is facing a threat to its business. Click the link below to watch the full video.